Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to see Bryson Tiller and hopefully Rihanna, because I thought, me and my friends, we think Rihanna's going to be there. I feel like that's delusional, but she's in London. Why else are you in London? Yes, to promote Puma and your collab, but you're also there to sing for me, like. So anyways, I'm about to go get ready. I bought some new makeup. I bought this, and I bought the what is this, setting spray. Anyways, I bought this all night setting spray because apparently it's good, and I bought this because my Fenty one has run out, and yeah, I just needed a quick something. So I guess I'll be back when I actually look like a human. Yeah.
Who's on time?
Me.
Me. No. Me. No.
Me.
It's me. It's actually me.
No, it's not. Currently in the corner shop, getting some food. We have 5 minutes.
Oh, this is so cute.
The train comes, so we're just waiting. I shouldn't feel like it was before.
I'm already crying for Bryson. Can you say that? Would you see singing whatever she wants? I would do some whatever she wants.
Yeah, let's tell you.
Can we take a drink first? Someone gets to me a glass.
So everyone's asking me what my lip combo is, what my lip combo is. Let me just tell you what my lip combo is. First, I use a brown lip liner. Just one from the hair shop. So yeah, brown lip liner from hair shop. Just make sure it's darker than you. Then I use the Fenty Beauty. Yeah, I use this one. Fenty Glow. It's really good. Like, I thought it wouldn't work for the dark skin girls, but
it'd be working for the dark skin girls.
Fenty Glow. Then when I get the glow, I get a black eyeliner pencil or a black lip liner, and then I go on top of the brown to make it darker. And then on top of that, and then I use the ELF. I use the ELF lip liner, lip gloss on top, and then that's
Period. Outfit of the day?
Outfit of the day, these shades are from Stradivarius, this top is from AliExpress, fast fashion, but you know, whatever. Necklaces, I think pretty little thing. This is from Nigeria. Kits from Nigeria. Rings are just like Amazon. Bag, Primark. And that's everything I wear.
Period. Hair from her roots.
Hair from her roots.
Period. Ginger babe. Hair.
So, where do I start? Jeans are from ASOS. Shoes are Converse. Jersey from New York.
Ooh.
Bag from, can't remember actually. Maybe H&M. Hat from New York.
The hat matches the
One of them ski
I
shops.
almost wanted to get rid of it.
Why? It's such a fit.
It's giving streetwear.
And then
Earrings are from Shein. Sorry, my bad.
No, but they're nice.
yeah, they are nice.
Am I wearing a necklace? Made by me.
Period. Made by her.
Guys, shout out. She's gonna come up with her own line soon.
Yeah.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Hair beads from the hair shop. Hair by my mama.
Period.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's my issue. I'm not really good at timing.
Yeah.
Okay. Yay! Made it.
Come every single song, you know that, baby. They say that London really fucks with this song by me, so I think she lied, 'cause I got a check on me. Baby, the only reason that I'm being is giving you the world. Yes, true. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for this one right here. I love you so much, man. Thank you for helping me right my wrong.
I'm a Bryson Tiller fan. Of course, I've just come from his concert.
I'm a Bryson Tiller fan. Of course I know when to say don't. I'm a Bryson Tiller fan. Of course I haven't seen him since 2017.
I'm a Bryson Tiller fan. Of course, I've been listening to him since I was 14.
Me. I wish that was me.
More embarrassing.
Better for the content. It's cooking. It's time for sorry. Let me get the change.
Close and cheaper. Yeah. There's no point going to
Which point do you live? You live at Playboy.
I live in Shindon, so I live in Junction.
Yeah.
Because I'd rather do that than take tablets.
True.
No, I don't think it's covered.
Get on camera.
So I thought I'll wait until
Hear my lips.
There's no way.
we see the results of the chat and then you tell me what I can and can't do.
Guys, it's a
But
shoe.
for now I just take it easy.
Oh, you take very secret.
It's more. So that then
I actually want to put it up there so it's like down.
She's 24.
I slept.
Bryson, you need more stage presence. Let me give you some tips and tricks. Do whatever she wants. When that song comes out, get a girl to go on stage, dance, and then bring her a bag, like something. And she's like trying to win it.
Yeah.
Whatever she wants. Or even get some cash, fake cash, real cash, and then spray it on the audience. Whatever she wants. Get a bag of like fake cash dollars Bryson on them, or your little album, like drop them on the audience when that song comes, whatever she wants, because you're giving her the money to buy whatever she wants. That's how you think. I don't know who's doing production, but the ideas need to like, Bryson, look, take some notes.
So when I moved back to Shindon, I was 44.
It's about the me and my brother saw on YouTube and we learned.
She's a new reporter, so you works
I need a double wait. I need a double mic and hold the legs. And no season of one root up in this guy. I got a crib friend number 9, like my shoot. There's a chicken up here. In this reason I'm an extra and just put my brother another thing, another double superstars and don't forget the fries.
Ooh. Mic drop.
It's a real shame.
I'm from a place where these guys wanna kickball, old school, play out of the back, no pressure. Two evils, I think one lesser. I can't mix business with pleasure, and I live so close to the edge, it's 100% suede, I don't do leather. I still think they got a vendetta. I seen pride in your eyes, but I know what it's like. Like I told you it's like, then I told you I'm right. Bag for the night or a bag overnight. You know me, I'm nice, but I'll save you the lecture. Disagree to agree, so I'm blessed now. Menage a trois, like, oh, that's Stella.
You gonna be in my vlog?
Yeah.
Do you want us?
Hello. Hiya.
What's our weekend?
Okay, well, I think I
want to mix on up.
Hello, guys. Hi. What is this?
Vlogging.
Yeah. Hello.
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
Very good. Which country?
Yeah.
Nigeria.
Correct.
Best country. I like Nigeria. And football. Best football in Nigeria.
Yes. Yeah.
We can put chips.
Yeah. Okay, can I have a double beef burger with chips?
Double beef burger with chips.
Take it out.
Good for health, man. Good for health. And it's also
Yes.
And YouTube.
Wow. Oh, God. God. There you go.
Very much.
Thank you.
Gracias, meninos, videos. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
If they can subscribe, why can't you?
Period.
No, guys, it was the way he looked. It wasn't like, he was like trying to survive. It was like, no, guys, no, please look. Guys, look. This is what he did. This is what he did.
Wow. Anyways, guys, we're back. We're
Guys are home, our food. Guys, the kebab person gave me, he said, you too pretty.
You too pretty to pay
He
for
said,
rice.
and he packed that shit up.
He packed that shit up. He packed that shit up. Anyways,
Pretty bro.
guys, this is the end of the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye. Bye, Bryson.
Bye, Bryson. Guys, I lied. I'm not going to bed yet. I'm making a frap. Let's play some music. What should I listen to while I make my frap? Let's listen to Tasha Cobbs, for your glory. And then the best bit, anyways, thanks for watching my vlog. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Bye.